How to assemble players in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain and assemble all of your teammates and friends inside the game. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I am already inside the game. Here, there are different options available. Now here on the right top, you can see this green flag. Simply tap on this green flag. So after you do this, here all the players will assemble together in one place. So it is a type of message that you can forward to everyone in order to assemble and attack together. So there are some situations where you will get alone and you even need help, so you can simply tap on it in order to assemble other people and start playing together. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.